Hi everyone, welcome to School of Dapps. On this channel, we turn aspiring developers into skilled blockchain experts across various blockchain network and technology. In today's video, we'll be exploring event in Solidity. And by the end of this lesson, you will understand how event works and why they are super important in blockchain development. So let's get started. So what are events in Solidity? Event in Solidity allows smart contract to log data on the blockchain. Think of them like announcement at a sport event. When something happens, an announcement is made so everyone can hear about it. These logs are stored on the blockchain and can be listened to by external applications like user interface, making them crucial for building interactive dApps. Why do we need events? Events are useful for several reasons. One, we can say listening for changes. You know, dApps can listen for event and update the UI when something happens on chain. Secondly, efficient gas storage. Events are cheap way to store data compared to contract storage. Another reason is easy filtering. Indexed parameter allows us to quickly search for specific logs. Imagine you are running an online store. Every time someone buys a product, you can log that transaction with an event. The front end can then pick it up and update the UI immediately. Now let's look at how we can declare an event in Solidity. Declaring an event in Solidity is super simple. We use the event keyword followed by the event name and parameters. So here's how it looks in practice. Let's quickly write the license and the compiler action. SPDL text. Write license license identifier MIT. So the license is MIT. Everything the license. Let's write the compiler version. So write Pragma. We're writing Pragma Solidity. Pragma Solidity. Then compiler version will be 0.88.26. So this is the compiler version we're using for this lesson. So now we write a contract. We write the keyword contract. Then the name of the contract will be event example. Then bracket. Now in declaring the event, we are going to write the keyword event, followed by the name of the event, call it log, and the parameters. We'll be having two parameters in this event that we want to create. So we say the first type, the data type of the event will be address, index, we are index, sender, the name will be sender, then the string, the second type is string, we'll call it message. Now this keyword index helps us to filter the log effectively. So we'll declare the event and let's write the function that will trigger the event whenever it is being emitted. Now in the function, we will trigger the log event that we declared above. So we write emit, then the name of the event is log. Then we pass in the parameters. We pass in the parameters and the argument will be address, which is message or sender, and the next argument will be string. So write the string, write hello world. Now let's write another example to emit the event. So we use the word emit, the keyword emit, then we'll write the name of the events that we want to broadcast or emit. We write the name, which is log. Then the parameters that was passed, we just pass in the arguments of what we want to emit or broadcast. So write message or sender, then write hello EVM. So this is how we can emit an event in Solidity. Lastly, what are the best practices for using events? As a developer, you must use events for important actions to log key activities like transfers, approval, or errors. Secondly, you must keep your event handlers gas efficient. Avoid unnecessary parameters to reduce the gas cost. Thirdly, use indexed parameters. They make searching logs much easier. Then lastly, events don't store data permanently, so don't rely on them for long-term storage. Remember, events are like public announcement on the blockchain. They help that listen for changes and update the UI. They are cheaper than storing data in contract storage. And that's it. You are now one step closer to mastering Solidity. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Solidity tutorial. See you in the next video.